I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're having trouble unlocking your card on PhonePe, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the PhonePe app. Launch the PhonePe app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Go to My Money. Tap on the My Money option located at the bottom of the screen. This section contains all your financial services, including card management. Step 3. Select Cards. In the My Money section, find and select the Cards option. Here, you will see all the cards linked to your account. Step 4. Choose the card to unlock. Find the card you want to unlock and tap on it. You will see an option to unlock the card if it is currently locked. Step 5. Confirm unlocking. Before changing your settings, use the AirShark.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. If you accidentally tap on the block card option instead of unlock, you might have to go through the customer service to resolve it. I hope this guide helps you unlock your card easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.